Hi, I'm Celestial Cindy from CelestialCindy.com, and this YouTube video is a bird identification video. So if you are someone who has bird feeders at your house, and I think we have a little bird that just woke up just now. And this is my sweet little 5-month-old baby, Philip. He just woke up from a nap. So if you are someone who has bird feeders at your house and you've received some bird visitors and you're curious what types of birds are visiting your bird feeders, then this YouTube video is for you. So several different birds visited our bird feeders today. A little gray bird came to visit our bird feeders. It's okay. A little gray bird came to visit our bird feeder today, and the little gray bird is called the Tufted Titmouse. So you'll see the Tufted Titmouse in this next video. The Tufted Titmouse is just a little gray bird with a little black spot right above the gray bird's beak. It's okay. So the little gray bird with the black spot above its beak is called the Tufted Titmouse bird. And the next bird you will see in our bird video is the black and white spotted bird. That bird is called the hairy woodpecker. So in my video, you will see both the male and the female hairy woodpeckers, and you can identify the hairy woodpeckers because they are the black and white spotted birds in my video. So the hairy woodpeckers are the birds that kind of look like a Dalmatian dog. So it's like a Dalmatian bird. And those two birds that look like Dalmatian dogs are called hairy woodpeckers. And the male hairy woodpecker has a red spot on the back of its head, and the female hairy woodpecker does not have a red spot on the back of her head. She is just black and white, and that's the hairy woodpeckers. So when you watch the video and you see the two birds with the black and white spots, kind of like Chibi's outfit, those two birds are the hairy woodpeckers, and the male hairy woodpecker has a red spot on the back of its head. And then there was a new bird. We got a new bird visitor. We got a brand new bird that came to visit our SquirrelBuster Plus bird feeder today. And the brand new bird is called a purple finch. So when you see this next video, you will be able to see the brand new bird that came to visit our SquirrelBuster Plus bird feeder, and it is called the purple finch. And even though this bird is called the purple finch, it actually has a kind of muddy red color to it. It's like a reddish brown bird. So this next new bird that you guys are gonna see is the purple finch. Yeah, it's like a dirty, muddy red color, or like a reddish brown. And the purple finches have only just recently appeared at our SquirrelBuster Plus and our SquirrelBuster Suet bird feeders. So I am really interested. We are both very interested in bird watching, and we're always excited when we wake up in the morning to go check out our bird feeders so we can do some bird watching and have a fun time. It's always interesting to see which birds come to visit us every day. And like I said, today we got to see the little gray tufted titmouse, and we saw the female and male hairy woodpeckers. That's 3 birds. And then we saw the white-breasted nuthatch. So the white-breasted nuthatch is the little bird that has like a bluish gray color to it and kind of like a long, narrow beak. So we saw the white-breasted nuthatch, and then we saw the 2 purple finches. So I think we saw at least 6 birds today, and I don't know if I filmed all 3 of the woodpeckers, but I saw 3 woodpeckers actually flying around our SquirrelBuster Suet bird feeder. And it seems like the same birds come back every day. The only birds that we didn't see today that normally come to visit our bird feeders were the little chickadees. So sometimes we have some little chickadees come to visit us, and he loves the chickadees. You're my chickadee. Yeah, so pretty much once the birds discover your bird feeder, the same birds usually come back every day. But if you're someone that has just recently purchased some bird feeders and you're wondering how long it's going to take to see your very first bird, it took us an entire month. I was checking the bird feeders every day for an entire month before we got our first bird visitors to arrive. So I think you just have to be patient and give it time. And the birds will definitely come, but it might take a month, you know, or the birds might come on the first day that you hang your bird feeder outside. So I guess it's just kind of random. It's just a waiting game. But now we've got the birds, and we're tickled to death that the birds have finally discovered our SquirrelBuster Plus and our SquirrelBuster Suet bird feeders. And we can't wait to see what new birds come tomorrow. I know Philip likes to watch the little birds. I hold him over near the window in our kitchen, and he likes to watch the little birds flying around. It's a really fun activity. If you want a fun hobby that's not watching TV, then you could buy some bird feeders and hang them outside one of your windows and just wait, and you could take some pictures of the birds, record some YouTube videos of the birds, and just have a fun and relaxing time. So I hope you enjoyed watching this bird identification video. I hope it helps someone out there to identify some birds that have came to your bird feeders. If you're curious, you know, what types of birds are at your bird feeders. I have looked up these birds in my video online, and I'm pretty certain that I'm correct in identifying all the birds shown in this YouTube video. This next video that you're about to watch is a video of an adult tufted titmouse. And you know this bird is an adult tufted titmouse because it has a black forehead. So the young tufted titmice birds, they do not have a black spot on their forehead. So they call the baby tufted titmice birds, they call them like juvenile birds or baby birds. So the baby gray tufted titmice birds, they don't have a black patch on their forehead like the adult tufted titmice. So we know this next bird in this video that you're about to watch is an adult tufted titmouse because it has a black patch on the bird's forehead, or on the bird's head. There's a black spot above this bird's beak in this next video. This video of the little gray bird with the black patch above its beak is called the tufted titmouse bird. This bird in this next video is the female hairy woodpecker. And the female hairy woodpecker has almost a Dalmatian dog patterning on its feathers. The female hairy woodpecker is black and white with no red spot on the back of her head. This next video is a video of the male hairy woodpecker, and you know it's a male hairy woodpecker because he has a red spot on the back of his head. So the next bird is a male hairy woodpecker, and it's a black and white colored bird. So the male hairy woodpecker has the black and white feather design. This next video that you're about to watch is a video of the male white-breasted nuthatch. It's the male white-breasted nuthatch, and you know it's the male white-breasted nuthatch because it has a black cap or a black head. This next video is a video of the white-breasted nuthatch bird. And the white-breasted nuthatch is a little bird that has a blue and gray coloring to its feathers. So you know it's a white-breasted nuthatch because it's the small bird with the blue-gray coloring on its feathers, and it has a kind of narrow beak. So I hope you enjoy this video of the white-breasted nuthatch bird. This next video is the brand new bird that visited our SquirrelBuster Plus bird feeder, and this new bird is called a purple finch. So this is a video of a purple finch bird. And the purple finch has a kind of dirty, muddy red color on it. Please click on our YouTube video's description to find links to the 2 bird feeders that are shown in my YouTube video. If you want to buy some bird feeders and do some bird watching at your house, I bought both of these bird feeders on the Brome bird care website. Well, I bought the SquirrelBuster Plus on the Brome bird care website, and I bought the SquirrelBuster Suet on the Duncraft website because the Brome bird care website was sold out of the SquirrelBuster Suet bird feeder. So you can buy both of these bird feeders on either the Brome bird care website or the Duncraft website. So just click on the links in my YouTube video's description and you can order these awesome bird feeders for yourself so you can do some exciting bird watching in your own backyard. Please click like and please click subscribe. Have a great day. Bye. So please click like and please click subscribe and also watch all of our other YouTube videos. This is a brand new YouTube channel and we're trying to get the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So help our dreams come true and watch all of our videos and like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, it is a cute little bird.